we are on the spinning process, final operation. It runs smooth. I place this one at the bottom to balance the footing of the washing machine. That's the balancer. Okay, that's the balancer. So the spinning process is actually not what they call this very destructive. It runs smooth. That's the balancer of the four footings. Okay, with that one, the four footings are actually horizontal with respect, or flat with respect to the horizontal and vertical. And one thing more, before I make the spin operation, I make it a point that the laundry inside is actually well balanced circumferentially. All around should be balanced before we will activate this washing machine to proceed to the so-called final spin operation, such that the water content of the laundry will be thoroughly, what they call this, removed from inside. Okay, and that's the time that we will stop this one for the so-called dryer operation. But right now, the spin operation is still working. It runs smooth. Like what I said, for the spin running to be smooth, I put the balancer here at the bottom. So the four footings of the washing machine is actually on the same level. And one thing more, I make it a point that the laundry inside is actually well balanced before I close it and proceed to the so-called spin operation. The spin operation is still going on to remove the water content on the laundry inside. This Maytag washing machine is actually more than 10 years old already. But sometimes it runs very destructive when it is on the spin operation. So what I did is that I make the footing to be balanced. And like what I said, I try to balance the laundry inside circumferentially or on the round circle portion. Circling on the circle, what you call this method. Then I try to operate it using the push button here. So right now this is actually on the spin operation, and like as you can see, the spinning operation is actually very small. The spinning operation is still running. Okay, that's almost done. So as you could hear it, the spinning process is actually gradually going to zero movement. So when this yellow light will be on, and this red light, this is the lock light, meaning to say while we are spinning, this is the washing machine is actually locked. So when it is done, what is only lighted will be this yellow thing indicating that the spinning operation is finished already. Uh, the spin motor almost come to a full stop already. So we are just waiting for this red light to shut off so we could open the door of the washing machine and we could bring out our laundry to be placed on the dryer. But what remains after the spinning operation is done will be this will be off and only the yellow light will be on. Meaning to say the spinning operation is done already. Okay, it's still draining the one that's accumulated at the bottom, and as soon as that is finished, the machine, this red thing will be shut off, and the only one remaining will be the yellow light, indicating that the spinning operation is done. That's it. The red light is gone. This yellow light, it indicates that the spinning operation is done. So actually, we could open now the washing machine. And as you can see it, okay, the laundry inside is actually well organized around the circumference of the spinning or the spindle. Good evening from Los Angeles. This is Professor DBJ de los Reyes.